Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have the basics, a Google account and a Firebase project. First, add a web app in the Firebase console and copy the config object. You'll paste this into your site. Next, choose CDN for quick tests or NPM with Firebase v9 modular SDK for production. Once done, import initialize app and necessary services. Make sure to keep API key in client code because it's public. The real security comes from rules and server verification. You will now wire services into your pages. Initialize your app with initialize app config, then request the services you need like getAuth or getFirestore. Use modular imports to keep bundles small and call service functions directly. For authentication, implement sign-in and persistence handlers. For Firestore, use getDocs/getDoc and batched writes when useful. Once the functions work locally, deploy rules for Firestore and storage. This prevents accidental public writes and explains why client can finally deploy and validate your site. Use the Firebase CLI to initialize hosting and run Firebase deploy. Hosting will serve your built assets. Once live, test authentication, reads and writes across real user flows. If something breaks, start by verifying the config object matches the console and ensure you're using the correct project ID. Next, inspect console errors and enable debug logs. Use the rules simulator to pinpoint access denials. One key tip: mismatched security rules are the most common cause of unexpected failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.